Hello guys, this is me Lisa from Daily Life Engineering. Today I will show you how to measure length with vernier scale. Okay, at first I will show you a vernier scale of slide calipers. This is here, and this is the linear scale, and this is the vernier scale part. And this jaw is for measuring the internal diameter or internal length, and this jaw is for the outer length measurement. Okay, let's know the how to measure the length of any object and measure by Barnett scale. First, we have to take the reading of main scale. I mean the linear scale. And then the Barnett scale reading, I will describe the later on how to take the Barnett scale reading, and then you have to multiply it with the Vernier Constant, which is BC. And then if you have any error or technical error in this scale, then you will deduct that error from this reading. Okay, let's move. I will describe you what is the Vernier constant. Vernier constant is the ratio of the smallest division of the main scale to the number of division present in the vernier scale. So BC means smallest division length of main scale, which means if you have 10 division in 1 centimeter, so you have the smallest division of the main scale length is 1 millimeter, because 10 division makes 1 centimeter, then the 10 division is, each of the division is 1 millimeter. Okay. Suppose I have considered that the 10 division makes 1 centimeter, then 1 division's length is 1 millimeter. And always the main scale's 9 sections length will be the equal of Barnett scale's 10 section division. Or otherwise we can think that main scale's 19th section length will be equal to the Barnett scale 20 divisions length. Okay, that is how we can measure the Vernier constant. This is the number of Vernier section. How many sections do we have in a Vernier scale section compared to the main scale section? Okay, that is how we can measure the Vernier constant, which is 0.1 millimeter, and it is if we convert it to centimeter, then it will be 0.01 centimeter. Okay, then let's know how to take the Barnett scale reading. This is the Barnett scale section, and this is the main scale section. We can see here we have 10 division here, and we have 10 division here. So suppose this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. But let's see. This is the line where the Barnett scale division is matched. You mean 10, 10, 10, 40 and 49 is equal to the 10, 10, 10, 40, 50. You mean main scale's 49 section is equal to the Vernier scale 50 section. That is how you have measured the Vernier constant. And when you will take the Barnett scale reading, then suppose here is the reading is 1, then you will look which of the line of Barnett scale's reading is matched with the linear scale. Okay, if any of the line has equally matched, like suppose here is this line. This line is equally matched. It will be matched. Let's see any of the line before that line is matched equally or not. Okay. There is no line match. This is quite similar. This one. Okay. Then if we take the Vernier scale reading, then we will take 1. Like that. If the linear scale value is 2.2, then we will look for the Vernier scale reading. Okay, Vernier scale reading is what is the line is equally matched with the linear scale value. Okay, then I will if any line is not matched, then you will take the nearest value matched with the nearest linear scale value. Okay, that is how we can take the Vernier scale reading. Then let's solve a math. Suppose there is no technical error in a Vernier scale and the main scale reading is 7 centimeter and the Vernier scale reading is 4. The Vernier constant which we have measured before is 0.01 centimeter. So measure the length of that object. Okay, we knew the equation how to measure the length, which is this. Main scale reading plus Vernier scale reading multiplied by Vernier constant minus error, if any error you have in your scale. Okay, this is the main scale reading, which is 7 centimeter, and this is the Vernier scale reading, which I have matched with the main scale reading with the Vernier scale division, and multiply by the Barnett Constant 0.01. Then deduct the error, which is 0 here, because here is written there is no technical error in the Barnett scale. Okay, the error is 0. Then the length of that object will be 7.04 centimeter. Okay. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. If I upload any new video, that will let you know about this video. Okay, thank you all, and like my video.